Hey guys, it's Steffi here and welcome back to my channel. This is the red carpet look for under $35. So let's get into this one to see what products I use to get this result. Let's start off by getting our foundation. This is an OXX Studio foundation, which is $6 at Kmart. This is in the shade number 4 beige. It is a long wear matte foundation. It comes in a 30ml bottle. As you can see, I have used this quite a bit because it's just a really easy, great little product. I'm just going to use a BYS foundation brush and just put this one on here. I'm just going to put my hair back while I do my foundation. Now this is quite a mattifying and full coverage foundation. In regards to how long it lasts, this one I would say is probably maybe 8 hours before I notice quite a bit of oil coming through. But it's not bad, especially for the price range of $6. Also, you guys may notice that I have bare nails today, and that is because I have spent a long time removing my nail polish that I had on there. I had glitter sparkly nail polish and it took me ages because I had to file the nail polish off because I realized that the nail polish remover was removing my nail polish but not the actual diamantes itself. And this is just normal diamond nail polish because you guys know that I love like sparkly stuff. And yeah, it took me ages. Have you guys ever had that issue where you're like trying to get rid of that nail polish and it won't come off and it's taking you forever and you're like don't want to ruin your nail? Is there any tips or tricks that you guys can let me know that I can get that stuff off easier? Because I'd like to wear it more often but I don't because of the fact of it takes ages to get off. So this next product, what I'm going to use now, is a product that is going to be used for eyebrows. It's going to be used for the eyeshadow, blush and everything, because I'm trying to keep this one as a low budget, and also so that means you guys can get a bit of an idea on how to use products more than just for the one thing that they're claiming to do. So this one here is the Flower Beauty. This is the Shimmer and Shade eyeshadow palette. It has 10 shades. And this is the Golden Natural version, but you can get different types and stuff like that. I've chosen this one because it's got some shimmers which would look great for that glamorous red carpet look, as well as it's got some dark colours so I can do my eyebrows. This palette here is only $10.99 at Chemist Warehouse, okay, so it's pretty affordable. The thing I'm going to do is use an angled liner brush like so, and going into the shade which is 10, that's what it's called. I'm just going to grab a bit of that colour there and literally just go and do my eyebrows. And I'm just using this guy right here just to use a mirror so I can see what I'm doing, and literally going like so. Because this is a full coverage foundation, I'm not going to need any concealer or anything because you can see the shade that I've picked and how like mattifying and flawless the finish is. Even my under eye bags or any imperfections there have been covered. I'm going to do my eyeshadow. So I'm using the brush that come with this palette. You can use any eyeshadow brush, but I find that that works best with this. So I'm going to go in first with this white. This is going to go into my inner corners here. So I'm just going to literally get that and put in my inner corners. And you can see how intense that is. And then I'm just going to blend it out. So there's that. Now I'm going to go into the crease line with another shade. So this is shade 4, this one here. And I'm literally going to get into that like so. And I know this is quite a big brush, but I'm going to go into the crease line anyway with this one. I'm going to use this shade here because this is like a bronzy colour here. So this is number 7. So I'm just going to get into that colour right now like so. And this is going to go all in this section of the eyelid. So from that white one, number 1, all the way to the end, we're going to just add this colour in there. Number 8, this is a nice dark brown, like it's pretty dark, but it's got that shimmer as well. And I think that will give me that nice smoky look. I'm going to go into the edging right here, and I'm just like dabbing it into that area and just bringing it out a little bit because I don't want it to go too far. I stick that on the other side as well before I blend. And now I'm just going to go and blend into this one a little bit. And any excess I'm just going to wipe away with my finger. What I'm going to do is grab my Sephora blending brush and just really give this a really good blend. Alright, so now that's looking really, really pretty. I'm going with that angled liner brush again. This time I'm going to grab this shade here. So this is number 9. And I'm going to grab into some of that because it's quite dark. And we're going to use this as an eyeliner. So I'm going to go into the above my like eye and just place that on there like so. We're going to go on the other side and do the same. I'm going to grab that same color again with that angled liner brush, and I'm just going to lightly put that on the bottom of my eyes. And I'm going to get that blending brush again and just blend this out because we don't want it as intense as what it is. So I'm going to go and grab a small contour brush, and I'm going to go into a shade to contour with this one. So I think the best shade for me would probably be this shade here, number 7. I'll try and squash this down like so to get it into this shade and this shade only, because otherwise it's going to be looking very interesting. Yep, we have successfully got some color. And then I'm going to go and pop this on my cheeks. And this is going to give me that really nice glow look that you do see on the red carpet. Shade here, this is number 6. So this is going to be a nice shade to go on the top here. So once again, squashing this brush, going into that. I don't need to go too hard into it because it does go onto the brush quite nicely. And now I'm going to go above my cheeks. So using the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior Mascara, we're going to go and do our mascara. This is $8 from Chemist Warehouse, so it's pretty affordable. I'm going to do the underside a little bit, so I just like to just drag it from side to side just to put slowly a build up. Alrighty, and that's the eyes done. I'm going to go and do the final section, which is the lips, the best to last. The Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Lip. This is in the shade Scarlet Letter, so it's a beautiful red. This one retails for $10 at Chemist Warehouse as well, or it's $9.99. So it's pretty affordable. It is quite a nice matte lipstick. We're gonna go with this now and just do the lips. Those of you who haven't worn a red before, be careful where you put this because it can get a bit messy and it does stain your lips. And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. A lot of fun to make and definitely within budget. So for $35 you can get an amazing look like this. You could definitely do it for a bit under as well, but if you want good quality products, I would highly recommend the Flower Beauty and the OXX range because these ones are really good. You can see the consistency, the quality is there. Like, it is very pretty. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys all next time. I love you all. Bye.